In this video, we are going to talk about how to convert decimals to hexadecimal forms. Now, there are some keynotes you need to take when converting decimals to hexadecimals. First of all, unlike our normal decimal system that has numbers from 0 to 9, the hexadecimal numbers are from 0 to F. So it has the traditional 0 to 9, and it also has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 0. So 10 stands for A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, while 15 is F. So these are things you need to take note of, and so that means it consists of the general 0 to 9 for the decimal and A to F, while each of them has the equivalent of A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. So let's go on the first example here. We have 100 in base 10 to base 16. So a way to solve this is to divide 100 continuously by 16, all the while taking note of the remainders, because that's what we are going to use, and that's what is going to be our equivalent value in base 16 or hexadecimal form. So 16 divided by 100 divided by 16 is what? 100 divided by 16 is 6 remainder 6 remainder 4, 6 remainder 4, and then 16, 6 into 16, that doesn't happen, so this is 0 remainder 6. So I'm going to be taking the numbers from bottom to the top. So this is 64. This means that 6 and 4 in base 16 is equal to 100 in base 10. Let's take the second example. I think this should be more clearer. So the second example is 78 in base 2 in base 10 converting to base 16. So 78 divided by 16 is 4 remainder 14. So you have 4 remainder 14, and then 16 into 4, that doesn't happen, so it is 0 remainder 4. So the 4 comes down here, and then we're going to write 4, but we can't write 14 here because it will just look like 414. I will not be able to identify it. So the way to do this is to come here. The equivalent value of 14 in base 16 is E, so our answer becomes 14 4E 4E. So since 14 is equivalent to E, this is 4E in base 16. So that's like saying 78 in base 10 equals to 4E in base 16. So let's take the second example, the third example. So I'd suggest you do this one yourself to get the hang of things. You can pause the video and try that. Okay, so 109, we are still going to take the same logic. We are going to divide through by 16 until we get a number that's less than 16. So 109 divided by 16 is 6. 6 remainder 13 happens 6 times, remainder 13. So this number is very less than 16, so 6 divided by 16 doesn't happen, so 0. The 6 comes down here. Remember, 6. So the equivalent of 13 in base 16 is D. So we are going to take it in this form. So remember, we're taking numbers from bottom to the top. So this bottom to the top. So this 6D in base 16. So that's like saying 109 in base 10 equals to 60 in base 16. Thank you for watching.